Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Monster truck! Ha! It's cleared the cars. Now it just has to clear the lunchbox. Fizzy, mind my lunchbox. Oops. Oh, sorry, Phoebe. I was just playing with my monster truck. But I need to eat. We're just gonna have to remake my lunchbox. Oh, a monster truck themed lunchbox. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand. Whoa, this is so awesome.
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. Whoa, cool lunchbox. Look at this. We have stickers on here already. And I love trucks. They have such huge wheels.
We have all the ingredients we need, Miss Hands. Ew! Look, Stanley!
Whoopsie-daisy, we better get this cleaned up.
Oh, wait, Miss Hands. I could use a bit of fizzy magic for that. Ready? Join in with me. 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Let's get making our monster truck themed lunch. This is so fun. We're gonna start making our sandwich. Thank you, trucks. Now, to make our monster truck sandwich, we need our bread to be rectangular. Now we shape the front. And we need 2 more pieces for where the driver sits. Now we need our tasty filling.
Can we do peanut butter and jelly?
We sure can. And now for the best bit, we're gonna put wheels on our monster truck. And I'm gonna use cocktail sticks and tomatoes. We take our cocktail stick here and slide it all the way through our monster truck to the other side. There we go. And 1/2 of tomato. We're gonna push it on there. And our second wheel tomato. We're gonna put that there. Ta-da! And now for the back wheels, we're gonna use our cucumber. Just look at these big chunky wheels. Aren't they great? I'm gonna put my cocktail stick in here first, like that, and slide the wheel on. Here we go. There's our first wheel, right through the center there, and wheel number 2. Perfect. And here's the detail for the back. It's called a spoiler. And we're gonna slide it in like that. Perfect! Our monster truck is complete.
That looked awesome! Look, Phoebe. Huh? My monster truck is going to do a stunt. Ow! Ow! Fizzy! I think you lost a wheel. Oh! We could put wheels in our lunchbox, too.
Oh, I love that idea. Let's use this cucumber to cut out our tires.
monster truck could deliver them to our lunchbox.
What a great idea, Fizzy! Monster truck, I need you! Thank you, monster truck!
Oh, you sound really hungry, Phoebe.
I am. And so is Stanley.
We need to make this lunchbox quicker.
What are we going to make next?
Traffic lights. Traffic lights help keep vehicles safe on the road. Yeah, traffic lights are awesome. Do you know the colors on a traffic light, Phoebe?
Yeah, I do. Green, amber, and red.
Great job, Phoebe. For green, we're gonna use kiwi. Amber can be orange, and red is...
Watermelon!
We have our fruit, let's make our traffic lights. Now our kiwi and our orange are both round already, so we just need to slice these. Here we go. Fantastic! We have our green traffic light and our amber traffic light. And now we need a red traffic light. And for that, I'm going to use this little glass bowl here because as you see, it is about the same size as my orange and my kiwi. So here goes. Wish me luck. I'm going in. We gotta really push it down. Squelch. Whoa, can you hear that? It's so juicy. Push it really firmly. Oh, can you hear how squelchy that is? It's gone all the way through. There we go. Now we have to get it out of here. Now I'm just going to use a little cocktail stick to help me. There we go. We have our red traffic light. Let's put it that way.
Ooh.
Okay, Fizzy, are you ready? We start with our tasty green kiwi, which means go.
Go now!
And now I can add the amber orange. That means get ready to stop.
Oh, slowing down.
And finally, our red watermelon. And that means stop.
And stop. Does that mean it's time for lunch?
It sure does, Fizzy.
Yay!
Wow, this looks so tasty.
Yeah, the food looks so good.
We have our truck
And our tires.
and our traffic lights.
And finally, we have our monster truck. Let's see if it'll make the jump this time. Are you ready, Purple? Woohoo!
Awesome sauce! Monster trucks are so cool.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.